Hey, welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. Tonight we're gonna smoke some more hamburgers, but we're also gonna smoke some bacon right along with the hamburgers on the smoker at the same time. Of course, before we get started, hit that subscribe button, follow us. We've got lots of great recipes, and we appreciate the likes and comments and everything else. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you, and hope you're having a great day. While we get our smoker up to temp, we're gonna get these hamburgers, which will be bacon burgers. We're gonna throw that bacon on with the burgers, smoke them for about an hour. First, we're going to put some beef bouillon on the hamburger meat, or on the hamburgers. Extra beef flavor. Go ahead and get some of this garlic pepper on there.
That's what I like.
Okay, flip them over. Try drizzling a little bit. This beef bouillon has plenty of sodium in it, so I don't think we're going to add any salt to these. Nothing special with the bacon except putting them on a wire rack, just like you would in the oven. Okay. Our smoker's ready. Just set our bacon on there. Just like that. I'm going to add our hamburger patties. Alright, close this lid up and let them cook. Alright, let's check on them
30
about
minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. Burgers are looking good. Bacon's looking
we're 45
good.
minutes
Let's
in.
keep rolling.
I did add some onions, so I moved the bacon over. These are looking really good. I'm going to flip them and let them keep going. You don't have to flip them, but I just like
Okay,
to.
we're another 5 minutes in. Alright, that's what we're looking for right there. 2, 1, 2, 3. 9. Okay, bacon's looking done. Let me get some of our secret sauce on there. Some onions, some bacon. Grilled onions, and only half of them because not everybody likes the grilled onions. They like the raw onions. Okay, got the bacon sitting on all of them. Now for the cheese. Got them all cheesed up. Always leave them for a few minutes and call it good. All right, let's get these off. Look at that. All right, take these off, get them in the house.
That's what I like.